For a long time, I thought more indicators meant better trading. But the day I stopped using indicators, everything changed. Not overnight profits, but clarity. And that alone changed how I trade forever. If you are a Forex trader, you have probably been there. Obviously, RSI says buy, MACD says sell, moving average says wait, and price is doing its own thing. That confusion was my daily experience. When I started trading, indicators felt safe at first. They looked scientific, professional. Everyone on YouTube had them, especially if you see these YouTube creators. Their charts are always full with indicators. So I kept adding more and more, thinking one day indicators would finally make me profitable and give me the dream life I have ever desired. But instead, I became more slower, more confused, and even more emotional in my trading. There was a point where I realized something was wrong, because instead of me moving forward, everything kept crumbling. I would analyze a chart for 30 to 1 hour, miss the move, and then enter late out of frustration. That was when I asked myself a serious question. If indicators are so good like this, why am I still struggling? So I did something very uncomfortable. It was a very big decision I had to make. For the first time, I decided to remove everything from my charts. No RSI, no MACD, no moving average. At first, I felt so vulnerable and naked, but then something strange happened. I started seeing structure, where price respected levels, how candle reacted to key areas. For the first time, I was not reacting anymore. I was actually reading the charts. I could actually see where the market has left the previous lows and the previous high. Did I suddenly become rich? No. Did I stop losing trade? No. But my entries became cleaner and clearer. My stop loss made more sense, and I stopped overtrading. Most importantly, I trusted my analysis. I became more confident in my trading setup than I have ever been. This doesn't mean indicators are bad though. Understand me? It means they are not the best, especially for upcoming traders who are still struggling. Indicators lag. Price doesn't lag. If you don't understand price action, indicators will only confuse you, because indicators react after the price or price action has already done what it wants to do. So they are not always the best. If you are a beginner, my advice is just simple. Learn how price moves first. Then if you choose to use indicators, use them as confirmation, not as your main decision makers. This is very, very important. Just learn price movements first. Then if you choose to use indicators, use them as confirmation, not as your key decision makers. If this video helped you see trading differently, drop a like, subscribe if you want to be seeing honest Forex content like this one. I will see you in the next one.